Apolo ne somero lokomodo i primary school Francis egwayo ngese balada ebe adauna yaun atunis ne polo no ikotomo no somero ke no ikotomo na kironi kamnara kereda ashoman e bale gwaida ebe rai kwana keswam ajo kanar idwe lost na Akipi amairo nwedolete are kolwaka kede somero ide rai boreni chanchani akironi kamnara keda ashoman na kada idwe.
Very, very big problem here. We collect water from the lake here for washing our toilets, washing the classrooms, and for hand washing. Then there is a borehole this side to that center, 2 kilometers away. Then there is another one at a model center, 2.5 kilometers. Our children, we give them the jerrycans at 5 once they are going home. They go with the jerrycans home routinely. We make it a routine. 10 liters each, 5 liters. Then they carry water as they are coming to school. And sometimes when the water gets finished, during the breaks, we again make children to go for drinking water because they have to drink water here.
Agilo na boku nta kotomo no somero kalo nesda abu kitolo Akipi no edwara kunumame dwe pedotra aima tona kitukda mamda chut e pedotra aima kanwa nguna ponondo lachuna agilo na kusoda somero asalain emameto rakeda agilo.
We had a borehole drilled here at the school compound here. The borehole is there, but the water which is in the borehole was bitter, very bitter, to the extent that it was not fit for human consumption. So people abandoned it. Even children could not drink it. Even animals, when they were giving that water, would refuse. They would test and leave, maybe because they are used to lake water. So the borehole was abandoned, grounded over 8 years ago. Up to today, there is no water.
Lord, the right defense secretary lokatutu bet kana kadunges da buko limda ebe erabe tebe jationis na Amamus na Akipi ida gilon are no jasko ya pietekede esomero kalo kes da chut elwaka.
So pakumepi utieke da tedeni piano tieke de pi America utuchodo liame ekutuchi pinyi kokome somio etie lolo jo piny itek patwan bobo karatot emaro dubere yon sukuru kupi senta mo modo kede mana ame maro lolo wanoda amegi yoti samaro de dubere do uroro kawotle
Mamde rai duelwe somero bone jatar keda tionisni kamnara keda kironu ka Akipi konyeto ni tunga ichelo ko kwaplui boete ko yapiete kede somero kesde jatar keda tionis lokada adumun Akipi.
We have a problem in our village here. We don't have enough water. When you go at this time, you will come back at 8 p.m.
Kop mepi kaelie iwoto sano no. Chepa ke udo pisa kanya tomo no rai to miare. A chepa ke de romo sa re gurda. E udo pitektekan.
Lord Rai District Water Officer loko kalaki Abdallah Bongonyinge ngesda limda ebe jasa gilo no down to squares I nomon e plani kanukada korar kautom na ibosh no gitigita e kutunu kwana ngesa polone somero lokada omodo i primary school adolo iningesi teteken e perutra amon i waitin lokada aingarain e somero lo.
This coming financial year, we have planned to do some drilling and rehabilitation, but I think let him come and explain to me, I think, more further better. I advise him, let him reach, then I feel I can plan for them. I can share with him one-on-one, so I can help him out.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokalaki District.